Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 47 of chapter 10, section 4. Find the exact length of the polar curve r equal to theta square where theta lies between 0 and pi by 4. So the length of the polar curve is given by the formula integral a to b square root of r square plus dr by d theta the whole square d theta. So it is integral 0 through pi by 4 square root of r square. So it is r square is r itself is theta square, its square. So r theta square, its square. Then dr by d theta. Dr by d theta is derivative of r, which is 2 theta. So now here we are going to apply its square. So it is 2 theta square d theta. So it is integral 0 through pi by 4 square root of theta power 4 plus 4 theta square d theta. So it is integral 0 through pi by 4. You can common factor the theta square, but it is inside the radical, so theta comes out. So which is theta square inside plus 4 d theta. Now we can do this by u sub method. So substitute u equal to the one inside the radical, theta square plus 4. So du equal to 2 theta d theta. We can also change the limits. It's not absolutely necessary, but it may be a good practice to change the limits right there. Theta changes from theta variable changes from theta to u now. U is given by theta square plus 4. Theta limits are 0 and pi by 4. So when theta equal to 0, u equal to 0 square plus 4, that will be 4. Then when theta equal to pi by 4, it becomes pi by 4 the whole square plus 4, which is pi square over 16 plus 4. So the length of the integral can be written as 0 through the new limits here now. So the new limits are 4 through pi square over 4 over 16 pi square over 16 plus 4, that is the upper limit. The lower limit is 4. Then you have within the radical it is u. Then outside the radical, which is theta d theta. Theta d theta can be written in terms of u as half of du. So it can be written as du over 2. So now 1/2 can be pulled out. Integral 4 through pi square over 16 plus 4 u to the 1/2 du. So it is half u to the 3/2 over 3 by 2. The limits are 4 and pi square over 16 plus 4. So this is half. Then flip and multiply the 2/3. Then you plug in the upper limit, which is pi square over 16 plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 upper limit. The lower limit is 4, so 4 to the 3/2, that will be 8. So you get 1/3 of pi square over 16 plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 8. That is the length of the curve. Hope this video helps.